It's the moment the industry quietly split into two groups. On one side, we see professionals who use AI tools casually, right? On the other, professionals like you and me automate workflows and develop AI-powered systems. And guess which group companies are hiring faster, right? Promoting sooner and paying more. Today, AI is no longer just about asking chatbots questions. This real shift is AI-powered development, where AI can analyze code bases, generate features, debug issues, and accelerate entire software projects. And one of the most powerful tools enabling this shift is Anthropic Claude Code. We have been exploring and we learned, right? Claude Code. Here is the reality. Most IT professionals are still using AI simple chatbot, while top engineers, are using tools like Claude Code to build faster, automate complex tasks, and dramatically boost productivity. So, because terms like AI, machine learning, and generative AI, LLMs, and GPTs are used everywhere and often interchangeably. So, let's try to understand. Foundation understanding, artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence or AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It allows computers to perform tasks that normally require human thinking. You understand? That's called artificial intelligence, such as learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and creating content. AI is broad field. It's a parent field altogether. It's a huge, broad field that has existed for decades. But modern breakthroughs happen because of a powerful approach called machine learning. From artificial intelligence, machine learning. So machine learning, ML, is a subset of AI, artificial intelligence, where systems learn directly from data set. We provide the data instead of being explicitly programmed for entire task. Do you understand? That's called machine learning. Instead of writing detailed rules, we train models using large data sets, allowing them to detect, patterns and make predictions. That is all about machine learning. So, for example, email services use ML to detect spams, right? Banks use ML to identify fraudulent transactions. Image recognition systems use ML to detect objects in photos, right? You give a photo and the ML will detect who is who. But traditional machine learning struggles with highly complex data like images, speech, and natural language. That's where deep learning comes in, right? So deep learning is a more advanced type of machine learning itself that uses neural networks with many layers inspired by how the human brains processes information, right? These are called as neural networks. This approach allows AI systems to handle complex tasks, image recognition, speech understanding, language translation, multilingual, right? The systems that we use, self-driving systems. So deep learning is what made modern AI system dramatically more powerful. But the real breakthrough came when these systems learned not just to understand data but to create new content, because we demanding more from the systems, and that brings us to next level of AI called as generative AI. So generative AI is a type of deep learning where models generate content itself, right? New content based on what they have learned. These systems could create text, images, code, audios, video, tools like ChatGPT that we know. Likewise, GitHub Copilot and Claude are all examples of generative AI systems. They are powered by something called large language models or LLMs. So large language model is an AI model trained with enormous amount of text data, including books, lot of books, websites, documentation and code, right? Lot of code has been given as an example. Document has been fed through, entire website has been fed through, because they learn patterns from so much information. LLMs could perform many different tasks such as writing content for you, explaining concepts, generating code summarizing entire documents, answering questions. These models are general purpose AI systems, which is why they power most modern AI tools, and you must learn those skills. Many of them use an architecture called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Without going too much into technical details, just understand transformers are extremely good at understanding context within language, which is why modern AI systems could generate such natural responses that you think somebody is writing for you. When you interact with these systems, you provide a prompt and the model generates a response based on everything it has learned so far, right? And this ability to understand instructions and generate useful output is exactly what makes modern AI tools so powerful. But the real revolution happening right now is not just AI answering questions. It's AI working alongside developers. AI systems that could read code bases, understand entire architecture, generate features and even refactor entire project from your GitHub repository. Instead of just chatting with AI, you can actually collaborate with AI. Developers who treat AI like a simple chatbot will stay where they are.